Hello guys, welcome back to Fashion Ride. Once again, I am back with the latest collections of baby girl dress design ideas. Before moving further, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you'll get the notification first. In this video, I have bought a collections of very cute, pretty dress design ideas for little baby girls who are under 5 years old. Hope you like this video. Enjoying this video. Don't forget to leave a beautiful comment down, hit the like button. Your beautiful comments and supports motivates me a lot. So keep supporting. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Both links are there in the description box. I am very thankful to those viewers who have subscribed my channel, watching my videos, sharing my videos in their family and friends. I am very thankful to all those viewers. Guys, please support me, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, and let me know in this video which dress design idea you like the most. Till then, keep watching. Thanks for watching.